Good afternoon. So for today, we are going to continue our discussion of our topic about EIM, or what we call the electrical installation and maintenance. Okay, so welcome to our class. Are you excited for our today's topic? So for our today's agenda, we are now in Module 3 about select electrical measuring tools and instruments, and Module 4, carry out measurements and calculations. As you notice, we have 2 modules for this week, so you need to maximize your time in answering the worksheet given to you. Class objectives and rules, expectations and outcome. Number 1, answer the form posted in your classroom or in your Facebook group chat for your attendance. That is the Google form I sent to you earlier. That is for your attendance. Number 2, download Module 3 and 4 and worksheet in your Google Classroom. Number 3, turn on your camera while attending the online class and mute your mic when the teacher is talking. The teacher will give you time to ask questions. For the class objectives, at the end of this module, you will be able to identify object or component to be measured. Number 2, choose test instruments to be used for a specific task. Number 3, identify alternative measuring tools without sacrificing cost and quality of work. Number 4, use appropriate measuring devices for a specific task. Number 5, compute for required data. And the last one, convert data to its equivalent unit of measurement. Okay, so for our first topic for today, it is all about measuring tools and instruments. So what are the different measuring tools and instruments do you think used in electrical installation and maintenance, and what are the uses of them? Okay, let us know first what measurement is. Measurement is the process of the result of determining the ratio of a physical quantity, such as a length, time, temperature, etc., to a unit of measurement such as the meter, second, or degree Celsius. The science of measurement is called metrology. The English word measurement originates from the Latin mensura and the verb meteri through the Middle French measure. So electrical measuring tools and instruments are sensitive and delicate, so extra care is necessary in handling them. These are used to measure currents, voltages, resistances, wattages, and other important elements in electrical works. This topic will tackle the function or use of each measuring tool and instrument used in doing an electrical task. Different kinds of measuring tools and precision measuring instruments are as follows. So the first one, we have the test light. So test light is a pocket-sized tool used to test the line, wire, or circuit if there is current in it. So when you put the test light in an outlet, if there is electricity on it, the test light will light on, and if there's none, it will lights off. It will remain off. Okay. Then we have the micrometer. It is used to measure the diameter of wires or conductors in circular mills. It can measure small and big sizes of wires and cables. Wire gauge. It is used in determining the size of wires or conductors. So the gauge ranges from 0 to 60 AWG, or American wire gauge. Ruler or foot rule. It is a measuring tool used for measure length, width, and thickness of short flat object and in sketching straight lines. A ruler or rule is a tool used in, for example, geometry, technical drawing, engineering, and carpentry to measure lengths or distances or to draw straight lines. Strictly speaking, the ruler is the instrument used to rule straight lines, and the calibrated instrument used for determining length called a measure. However, common usage calls both instruments rulers, and the special name for straight edge is used for an unmarked rule. Pull-push rule. It is a measuring tool used to measure the length of an object in centimeter and inches. Ammeter. Ammeter is an instrument used to measure the amount of electrical current intensity in a circuit. The unit of measure is ampere. It is connected along or series to the circuit. Voltmeter. It is an instrument used to measure electrical pressure or voltage of a circuit. The unit of measure is volt. This is connected across or parallel to the circuit. Clamp ammeter. It is also called tongue tester. It is used to measure current flowing in a conductor. It is clamped or hung in a conductor. Voltammeter or the VOM, otherwise called as multitester. It is used to measure the voltage, resistance, and current of a circuit. It is connected in parallel or series with the circuit depending on what to measure. Let us now study the system of measurement used in electrical installation and maintenance. A system of measurement is a set of units which can be used to specify anything can be measured. These are common units of measurement used in making layout and installation of electrical materials. So this system of measurement is already a review for you because we already tackled this lesson in our previous component in agriculture and in ICT. Okay, the first one is the linear measure, and we have the English system. English system provides the creative way on how people can measure by themselves. For example, people measure shorter distance on the ground with their feet. They measure long distances by their palms, which is equal to a yard. So these are the different units in English system. We have the inch, yard, and miles. Number 2 is the metric system. It is a decimalized system of measurement. It exists in several variations with different choices of base units. Metric units are widely used around the world for personal, commercial, and scientific purposes, and the units used are millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, and meter. So what are the equivalent of these English units? So English units and each equivalent. 12 inches is equivalent to 1 foot. 1 foot is equivalent to 0.33 yard. 1 yard is equivalent to 36 inches. Metric units and each equivalent. 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. And 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. English to metric equivalent. So we can convert the English system to metric system using the standard conversion. 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeter. 1 foot is equivalent to 30.48 centimeter. 1 yard is equivalent to 91.44 centimeter. Okay. So in your ruler, we have two graduation. We have the centimeter graduation and the inch graduation. So how will you read those measurement? So the first one, we have the graduation that shows every digit is 0.5 millimeter. So the interval is equivalent to 0.5 millimeter. As you notice here, the arrow, the first line, the first short line, that is 0.5 millimeter. And the longer line, that is equivalent to 1 millimeter. And the longest line, that is equivalent to 10 millimeter, and when you convert it to centimeter, it is equivalent to 1 centimeter. So that is how will you read the centimeter graduation on your ruler. Let's say for example, the arrow here, The unit is 25 millimeter or equivalent to 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so the first graduation is 0.5 millimeter. Second graduation is 1 millimeter. Third graduation is 1.5 millimeter. Fourth graduation is 2 millimeter. Note, if the graduation reaches 10 millimeter, it is equivalent to 1 centimeter. Okay, next is the inch graduation. So how will you read the inch graduation? So the first line, that is 0. The shorter line next to 0 is 1 over 16. Then the next longer line is 1/8. And then 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, and so far and so on up to 1 inch. So that is how will you read the inch graduation. Now we have converting the unit of measurement from English to metric and vice versa. We have the example, 12 inches is equivalent to how many centimeter? Since 12 inches or 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeter, 12 inches times 2.54 centimeter divided by 1. Therefore, 12 inches is equals to 30.48 centimeter. Why? Cancel the common unit and apply cross multiplication. Perform the indicated operation. Okay, next, we have 6 feet is equivalent to how many inches? Since 6 feet is equal to 12 inches, or 1 feet is equal to 12 inches, so let us cancel both the feet and apply the cross multiplication. 6 times 12 inches divided by 1. Therefore, 6 feet is equivalent to 72 inches. Now, let us know if you can solve the following. So, for your answers, kindly send it to my messenger, not in group chat. So, you need to capture it or to have a picture of your solution and your answer. If you are not able to send it, then stable it to your worksheet and pass it on module retrieval. Okay, so prepare 1/2 crosswise. Read the directions carefully, and I am giving you 5 minutes to answer. Congratulations, you did great on your short quiz. So now we will continue our discussion for our today's lesson.
Reggie, how long have you been on the couch for?
Since breakfast.
What? Time for a shake break! Okay, follow my lead. Here we go. Shake, shake, everybody shake now. Jump, 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 jump off the ground now. Shake, shake, everybody shake now. Jump, 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 jump off the ground and turn around. Shake, shake, jump, jump, jump. Shake, shake, jump, jump, jump. Shake, shake, shake. Jump, 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 jump. Shake, 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 shake. Jump, 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 jump. Turn